Uh, in Java, let's see few of the important questions. Name some OOPS concept in Java. Java is based on object-oriented programming concepts. Following are some of the OOPS concept implemented in Java programming. Some of them are abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance, association, aggregation, and composition. Again, let's see. It is abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance. These four would be the most important things. That is the abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance. If the interviewer is looking for even more, and then you can also say association, aggregation, and composition. The second one, what are data types and primitive types? Data types are divided into two groups, basically primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types includes byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, and char. So there are eight, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That is byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, and char. Non-primitive types are strings, arrays, and classes. So there might be three: strings, arrays, and classes. So primitive data types is basically a primitive data type specializes the size and type of variables. There are eight primitive types: byte, short, and long. Non-primitive data types are the non-primitive data types are called reference types because they refer to objects. The main difference between primitive and non-primitive data types are primitive data types are predefined. That is, it's already defined in Java. Non-primitive data types are created by the programmer and is not defined by Java except for string. So non-primitive data types are strings, arrays, and classes. Next, what is the difference between abstract class and interface? Abstract class is a class which can provide complete or default code and or just the details that have to be overridden, whereas interface cannot provide any code at all. It is just a signature. In case of abstract class, a class may extend only one abstract class, whereas interface is like a class can implement several interfaces. An abstract class can have any visibility, that is public, private, and protected. Interface visibility should be only public or none. Again, to repeat, an abstract class can provide complete or default code. It can or it cannot provide the complete code, whereas interface cannot provide any code at all. Again, abstract class can extend only one abstract class, whereas interface can implement several interfaces. Abstract class can have any visibility, that is public, private, and protected, whereas interface has only the visibility of public or none. That's it. Next, if we add a new method to an abstract class, then we have the option of providing the default implementation, and therefore all existing code might work properly. So as it is already default code will be there, so you need not go back and again implement it or extend it. Whereas interface, if we add a new method to an interface, then we have to track down all the implementations of the interface and define implementation for that new method. So you have to track down and you have to make sure that whatever the method is newly added, we have to implement that. Next, an abstract class can contain constructors, whereas interface cannot contain constructors. Abstract class are fast. Interface are slow as it requires extra indirection to find corresponding methods to the actual class. Okay. A class in the environment of a Java assembly which I use that is not required. What is method overloading and overriding? We'll see in the next video. Okay. Thanks.